Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install FilzaJailed or FilzaEscaped on all of your devices from iOS 17.0 through iOS 26.0.1. Before you do so, please note that it will not work on iOS 18.7.2 to 18.7.7. FilzaJailed or FilzaEscaped is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. This video is for educational and informational purposes, and you can install FilzaJailed or FilzaEscaped so that you can browse the file system. You can use it as a file manager. You can read and write to your device's directories without jailbreak. Also note that on your iPhone 17 series and the iPad M5 it will not work because of MTE. So on those devices you are out of luck, or at least until there may be a fix at some time. Now to get it, you can simply head to this official GitHub page, as you can see right here. Alright, and within releases you will see we have the latest version, and then simply get the IPA from here to your computer first. As you can see right here, I already got the FilzaJailed IPA right here. Now to install it, you can use Impactor. Impactor is also completely free. You can simply head to its official GitHub page, or you can also use Sideloading or iLoader also to simply install the IPA onto your device. Before you use Impactor, make sure that you install iTunes. You can install iTunes from the official Apple's website. As you can see right here, simply get it from here and then install it like any other app. Restart your computer once and you are good to go. For Impactor, simply head to its latest release from here, and within assets you will see we have this file right here for Windows. So simply get this to your computer and then install it like any other app. Now before you open Impactor, make sure that you have connected your iPhone or iPad via USB and it is unlocked. It is at the home screen. Alright, then simply open Impactor and your device should show up here. Before you install the IPA, make sure you hit this settings icon, and from there simply add your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work. Simply hit this add account button, type the username and password for your Apple ID, and your account will be added here. Once done, you can simply go back and then hit the import IPA/TIPA button. From there, simply select the IPA for FilzaJailed and then hit open. Now simply hit the install button and wait for the process to complete. Now I will stop you briefly here so that if someone has this problem, this may help them. So I used Impactor to install FilzaJailed and I was constantly getting this error and it was force closing. So what I did, I first of all set a passcode on my device. So if a passcode is not set, please set it. And instead of Impactor, I used iLoader. You can get iLoader from the official GitHub page for iLoader, and within releases you will find it here, and you can simply install it on Windows using this file. Simply get it and install it like any other app. Yes, of course, iTunes is required. So I assume that you already installed iTunes. And after using iLoader, I was able to install the app onto my device. Once installed, the FilzaJailed app will show up on your home screen. From there, the rest of the process is on device. Now, as you can see, I have Filza on my home screen, and the device I'm using is an iPhone 12 running iOS 26.0.1. Before you can open the FilzaJailed app, make sure you go to settings, then go to general, then scroll all the way down to device management and trust this app from here against your Apple ID. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected when you do so. Secondly, go back to settings and then scroll down to privacy and security, and from there you will see developer mode. It will be off. You will only see once you have installed the app. Simply hit it and turn it on from here. Your device will ask you to restart. Simply hit restart. You will see the screen ready to enable developer mode. Simply swipe up and simply hit enable. Simply put in your passcode. Your device will then go back to the home screen. Simply unlock it. Once you're in, now you can open the Filza app. Now let's test if we can write the entries. So I have moved to slash. Then I will go to VAR. From there, let's go to mobile, documents, edit. I will hit the plus icon. And from there, I will create a new folder. Done. You can see I can create a new folder. Let's open it. And if you want to delete it, swipe, delete. Okay. So we have the read and write capabilities. Let's move back to VAR. From there, if you go to mobile, containers, shared, app group, you can see the apps installed on your device. You can also create a folder, a directory here, just to ensure that it works. To delete, swipe and delete. To create a new file, simply press and hold. New file. I will name it test. You can see you can write. To delete, simply swipe and delete. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.